which graph shows the solution to the inequalities. So they give you two inequalities and I need to be able to graph them. So one way is to be able to just build your own graph and see which one is the same. Another one is just to be able to compare the graphs as we go through the process. Now in order to graph it, it is best to have a y, what we call slope-intercept form. Y is equal to, where you have y, then the inequality, your slope, and your b. So basically just the y by itself. In this case, my -4 is my y-intercept. So I'm going to go down 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this line right here. Then down 2 into the right one, down 2 into the right one. So that's this line right here. And if you notice, all of them have the same line. So down 2 into the right one. So that one's fine as well. This is down 2 into the right one. That one's fine as well. And because this is greater than, that means that they have to shade the greater than will be the top, less than will be the low side. So they have to shade the top. So I'm just going to place my up arrows on this line. So that one looks fine, the shaded part of it. I'm going to place my up arrows on this line. And if you notice on this one there's nothing shaded, so that's wrong. Letter C is the same line. I'm going to shade the top section. So that one's fine. No, that was wrong. There's nothing shaded. From here I'm going to place my up arrows. And that one's fine. It did get shaded. Now for the second one, I'm not going to solve for y. I'm going to move my negative x to the right, becomes a positive. So 3y is less than or equal to x plus 3. I need to leave the y by itself. I'm going to divide by 3, divide by 3, divide by 3. The 3's cancel. So now we have y is less than, there's a coefficient of 1. So it'll be 1 over 3 x, and 3 divided by 3 gives me 1. So my y-intercept will be positive 1, and my slope is up 1 into the right 3. Up 1 into the right 3. So that one's fine. Y-intercept is 1, my slope is up 1 into the right 3. So that one's wrong. This one, up 1 into the right 3, and that one's wrong. So your answer should be A. But let's double check your shading. This is less than or equal to, so therefore we're going to shade the low side. And if you notice, they will be intersecting in this section here. So your answer will be letter A.